This is how to fix Nvidia control panel display settings missing or not showing up. First, before anything, we're going to look at our PC itself and make sure we have a GeForce graphics card. How you know you have one is, of course, look at your computer specs and look at the graphics card itself and make sure it says GeForce on it. We're going to right click on our screen right here, just in any open space, and we're going to go to Nvidia control panel. Now it should open up just like this, but if it doesn't, this is how you fix it. We're going to go with our search here in the bottom left and look up Device Manager. And here we'll find Display Adapters. Click the arrow next to that. And you should see Nvidia GeForce something under these lines right here. If you do not, you do not have Nvidia GeForce or it is not installed properly on your computer. Either way of the matter, if you do have Nvidia GeForce right here and it's confirmed, we're going to exit out of this and go to the search once again and look up GeForce Experience and open this up. If you don't already, go to any browser of your choice and download this. Once you have GeForce Experience app open up, we're going to go to the drivers section right here next to home. And here at the top, you should see an option that says download. Go ahead and do that. No matter how long it takes, it might take a few minutes to maybe an hour. It will ask for your computer to reset. Once you finish downloading this, we're going to exit out. We're going to right click once again and go to NVIDIA control panel. And it should open it up. If this still does not open up, we're going to exit out of that and go to search once again and look up services. And here we're going to click on any one of these, and on our keyboard we're going to press on N. You'll find NVIDIA Display Container LS right here. We're going to right click it and go to Properties. From here we're going to confirm that this startup says automatic, and the only option right here that is stop. Once you've done that, we're going to press on OK and open up control panel again, and that should fix the issue. That is how to fix NVIDIA control panel display settings not showing up.